Okay, March 22nd, Sunday, tested a new garage door opener. Michael got it installed. I helped a little bit, but Michael got it installed. Got a light button on the side. And I noticed also too, like if I walked in front of the sensors down here, the light kicked on because it knows, oh, you must be going in the garage. And we'll test it with the door remote here a little bit. Push the in, go back up, and we'll test it with the remote control. You can see the eye sensor down there. There it goes. All good. And go back up. Boom.